Grain is the staff of life. So grain is good, and also fruit of the vine, that which yieldeth fruit. It's very Mediterranean. Word of wisdom.
Which does have significant health benefits. I know that for some of the heart issues I've had in the past, they have recommended, a very heavy diet of kind of the Mediterranean diet, right? The natural grains and legumes and all of those things, and fish, as well. And I think there's a lot of wisdom in that. I think that even the science kind of supports a lot of that as well. But again, back to your point, the grains that we have today are not the natural organic grains that existed 200 years ago. Everything has been so modified. So again, what does that mean? You do the best you can. You truly study this and you figure out, how can I best apply this for my situation and where I am and what I can afford and how I can do this. And the Lord will bless you for that effort and for that righteous intent and the exercise thereof, right? The Lord will bless you for that.
I learned how sophisticated you can sound when you use the word legume. That was real nuts.
Do you have to look that one up?
No, I know what a legume is. Okay.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure. I don't know how deep that gets into your repertoire.
I'm sophisticated. I've been known to eat a legume or two. What about mild drinks of barley?
Yeah, what is that, Dylan? Explain.
That's obviously beer. I'm sorry. There was strong drinks and mild drinks. Those are obviously
mild beer.
Those are obviously talking about alcoholic beverages, strong and mild. So clearly, mild barley beverages were acceptable at this time. Now, what was the alcohol percentage in a beer in the 1800s? Probably like 1%. I don't know. Ales may be stronger. I don't know.
Yeah, I was going to say, they could have brewed pretty strong beer. Depends on who was brewing it, I suppose.
Hang on, let me ask ChatGPT.
You got to get to the bottom of this, huh?
Let's get to the bottom of this. Let's do it live. Alcohol percentage beer 1800s. The people will want to know.
I am curious as well. Are we just making that up that it was less, or was it really less than today?
Uh,
And watch ChatGPT. It'll just make up stuff.
In the 1800s. I had a typo that confused it. Thinking longer for a better answer.
Ooh. It's really diving deep on this.
Researching historical beer ABV. I didn't see this episode going this direction, but here we are.
I did not either.
Finding credible sources.
Oh my goodness.
Refining search.
ChatGPT 5 is really
19th century beer data.
Oh my goodness.
Why is it thinking so hard about this?
You're using all of the capacity right now. All of the processing power of ChatGPT is being funneled into this one question.
Okay, summarizing. I don't know why it's going so deep. I've never had to think this deep about anything.
Of all the crazy questions we have asked ChatGPT, this is taking longer.
ChatGPT was like, "Ooh, this is a good question."
No one's ever cared before.
Thank you for watching. If you found this content spiritually enlightening, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Like the gospel, these little things make all the difference, and it helps the algorithm push out better content for everyone to enjoy on YouTube.